tayo na ako na sa ating second game. Team ni Councilor Don Aliado versus our Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Kawili. Good luck from both team. Doon ka na pala.
Akin na si Boss Alan, ginagamit para lang maka-scout yung kalaban.
Let's go. Rep. Boss rep. Okay, let's start our second game. First ball mapunta sa team Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Kawili. No good. Steal. Here comes number 1. Uy. Harold. Reverse layup. No. Rebound by number 8. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Number 15. Pass number 5. Gets the 3. No. Rebound by number 1. Pull up jumper. No. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 9. Outlet pass number 15. Pinasa. Steal. Clarito. Pass number 15. Ayan na. Using the glass basket and first basket para kay Clarito, number 2. Mahusay yan, syempre, Clarito. Ayan na, number 3, 4-3, and 3-point by Pakito. 2 points lang daw po sa ating official. Tabla tayo sa dalawa. Oy. Basket by number 1. Sa mga representative yan ng GSD. Ayun na, number 3 again. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Harold. Steal by number 18. Pass number 16. Ayun na. 2 against 1. Uy! Sayang. Offensive foul by number 15. Puntos na yun. Pero hindi daw pwede. That's offensive foul by number 15. Ayun na. Number 9, pass to Harold using the board and score by Harold Vargas. Number 15, pass number 5, stop and pump, yes sir! By number 5. Swap. Number 22 using the board, wala. Number 3, yes, the foul. There we go. Number 6, 4-3, yes sir, by jersey number 8, that Bautista. Change favor, lamang na ang team ni Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Kawili. Fake, stop and pop, 4-3, wala. Ayun na, out that pass, 2 against 1. Napalakas nga lang. Larito. Pass number 15. Number 15, running shot as a traveling. Violation. Ayun na, number 3. Basket count and 1. For jersey number 3. On a shot for 3-point play, wala. Yeah, it's a 3, short. Ayan na, number 9, all the way. Bad pass. Number 15. Uy! End of the substitution. Or timeout para sa team ni Consular Don Aliado.
Yan, ano ba yan, no?
Okay, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Goes number 15. 4-3, bang! Nakabawi si number 15. 4-3. Bautista, 4-3, wala. Ayan na. Number 5. Pinasa, nice fake. Hey! Uy, sayang, mantika na. Ayan na. All the way and score by Narcy number 3. 15 and 9. Number. Oy! Out that pass. Number 15. 17 and 9 in favor of the team ni Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Kawili. Gets the 3, short. Rebound by number 9, crossover. Pass number 3. Number 8 for 3, no. Outlet pass, number 15. Uy! Uy! Basket! There's a foul. Number 22. Harold Vargas. Time remaining 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Number 15 shooting for 2. No good. Hey, no good. Hey, shout out.
Shoutout nga pala kay John Paul.
Sayang, napos pare.
Wala eh, ganun tayo. Walang kakarte eh.
Harold. Ay. There's a foul. Harold Vargas ang shooting for 2. Ay pare. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Second shot para kay Harold Vargas. Basket. Oy, substitution. Huh? Ano ba score? 19-11. Natiktalan. Yes, the 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Here comes Rodriguez. Rodriguez for 3. In and out. Basket. Number 14. Oh, steal by number 23. Uy! Dino, pinasa! There's a foul. Remain time 1 minute and 26 seconds. Dino on the free throw area. Ayan na. Uy! Swak para kay Dino. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Harold with the putback. Here comes number 14. Uy! There's a foul, number 22, Harold Vargas. Substitution, Ortega coming in. Jump shot, no. Rebound by number 4. Pass number 9. Dino. Good defense para kay Ortega. Ay, that's decent. Ayan na, sa loob. What a nice pass by Rodriguez. 28-11. Number 14. Pinasa, tumira, short. Out of bounds. Ayan na, outlet pass. Pass number 4. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, pinasa. Choose in the board. Nakalusot si number 1. Last 2 seconds. 2, 1. Tira. Tumingin ka pa kasi. Okay, that's the end of our first quarter. Official score, 28-13. In favor of the team ni Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Agkawili.
Bagong labas niya si Kailan lang yan.
Ay, dadako na sa ating second quarter.
Idol ko! Eric!
Number 14. Kick out. Pass number 27. Uy! Hard pa naman yung buddy. Number 14 gets the 3 short. Here comes Rodriguez. Pass to, pull up jumper, wala. Ibang dito ng team ni Consular Don Aliado. Number 14. Pull-up jumper, wala. Number 5, what a nice pass. No, rebound by Dizon. Steal. 2 against 2. Uy, wala. Rebound by Rodriguez. Rodriguez, pick. Stop and pop, short. Reverse layup in the putback by there's number 3. Uy! Dizon out of last. No. Makuha pa rin dito number 3. Number 3 cross. Bounce pass, kick out. Boy, basket by Dino. Paredes. Biggest lead of the game, 32-13. Jump shot, no. Rebound by number 4. Outlet pass, steal. Number 14, 4-3. Wala. Number 1 with a putback. Abang lang doon si number 1. 32-15 in favor of the team ni Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Agkawili. Rodriguez, top up the key, 4-3, short. Rebound by number 5. Left side up, pass to. Back to number 5, catch and shoot, wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, pull up jumper, wala. Ayun na, out that pass. Number 14, no. Number 14, wala pa rin. Here comes Tino. Oy, wala. Out of bounds.
Nice, Rick.
Green ball. Pull up jumper and score. 17-32.
Mga nasa,
Rodriguez. Pass Kevin. Number 3. Out of bounds. Time remaining 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Running time tayo, running time. Let's go. Catch and shoot. No good. Wala pa rin. Uy, steal. Kickball. Dizon. Wow, lap damper. No. Number 15. Running shot and score by number 15. 32-19 in favor of the team ni Councilor Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Cawili. Rodriguez, pass to number 3, catch and shoot for 3, in and out. Rebound ng mga naka-green. The pass, number 27. Pass number 5 for 3, bang! That's a 3-point, 22-32, babas 10 ang kalamangan. Rodriguez. Pass number 23. No good. Number 5. Out of bounds. Time out. Ada lang po naka-blue.
Kuha mo ng mga pata. Ano pagkanan mo? Ano oras na po? Sa iyo lang papalag.
6:25. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 3 minutes and 51 seconds. All good. Number 5. Pull up jumper. Bang. 24-32. Rodriguez, pass number 8 from the elbow 3, no. Rebound by number 18. Pass number 15. Number 5. Oh, that's a traveling. Harold na bitawan. No good. By Harold. Rodriguez with a reverse layup. Assisted by number 7. Oh, still Rodriguez behind the back. Oh! Ganda naman ang pasa yan, coach. Step back 3, short. Ayan na, wala pa rin. Rebound ang mga naka-blue. Pass number 8. Basket. Uy, what a nice move. Number 15 for 3. Number 15, no good. There's a foul. Time remaining, last 54 seconds. Gets a 3, wala. Out of bounds. Here comes Rodriguez. Gets a 3, bam! 41-27. Yes, a 3. And that's the end of our first half. Fisher score 41-29 in favor of the team ni Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Agawili. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Muna tayo for the meantime. Maraming salamat sa inyo.